Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add 3D stacked column chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we can see here some data. Now I am select this data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the column or bar drop down menu. Now I am select the 3D stacked column chart. Now we can see here the 3D stacked column. Now I am select this. We can see we make a 3D stacked column chart. You can add any element or remove any element. Select the chart and go to the chart design menu. Now we can see here the element option. You can add the axis or add titles, chart title or the chart labels, etc. You can add more than style. You can add the grid line or remove this grid line. Now you can change the style or layout of the chart. Now I am select this. You can change the color. Now I am select the color. Now I am select the chart type drop down menu. We can see we change the chart type. You can change the layout of the chart. There are many layout of this chart. Now I am select this. Now we can see we make 3D stacked column chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.